Hello, and welcome to my next Executive Series video. Our topic is device packaging. Aaron Snyder here from Quality Systems Explained, where we make quality systems simple for you. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. This is the first Executive Series video you've seen. Please go back and check out the introduction. Check out the video description below for links to any supporting information and an outline of the material we will cover today. In each Executive Series video, we have a standard agenda which covers 4 main areas. You can see those in the progress bar. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video for the 3 bonus questions. Our requirement, device packaging, comes directly from 820.130 and 1345 sections 7.5.1 and 7.5.11. Device packaging in 5 words. Packaging protects devices from damage. We have to ensure that our packaging or our shipping containers protect our product through all handling, storage, distribution, and installation activities. What's important is that packaging itself prevents our product from being damaged. So how do I know this is working? Well, first, I fully analyzed with risk management all the risks that may be presented to my product during manufacturing, handling, storage, shipping, distribution, and installation. And I've implemented appropriate controls to prevent damage. Second, I've done all the needed testing, shake, rattle, and roll, stability, whatever it is. I've done the testing to show that my packaging is good and it protects my product. Third, the suppliers of my packaging material, they're all reviewed and approved, and I'm managing them through my purchasing controls process. Fourth, all of the processes related to packaging have been reviewed and validated as they need to be. And then finally, if I have any temperature control requirements, I've implemented the right controls, either freezers or whatever, cold chain. I've implemented those controls throughout my distribution process. So how do I know it's not working? Well, first, I have recalls related to damaged product. Second, my packaging degrades significantly over time and I get complaints related to the performance of that packaging. Third, my actual packaging equipment, the processes themselves, they aren't validated. And then finally, if my product is temperature sensitive, I don't have the right controls, freezer validations, whatever, throughout distribution to ensure that my product is not damaged during the actual shipping and distribution. And now for those 3 bonus questions. What type of testing do we do for our packaging during the design process? Second, do our products have any temperature control requirements? And if they do, how do we implement them in storage, handling, and distribution and installation? And finally, do we have any complaints about product damage that can reasonably be linked to the actual storage, handling, distribution of the product and the packaging not protecting that product? Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. If you have any questions, please send me an email at qms.jedi@gmail.com. This is Aaron Snyder from Quality Systems Explained. Never stop learning.